Here's Lizzie, here's the extruder video. Here's the chamber. This is the collar. In the collar, Lizzie places the die. The die controls the shape of the extrusion. Then she attaches the collar and the die to the chamber using the pins. The pins go through the holes and align everything and hold the collar onto the chamber. Next goes the clay. Clay goes in the chamber, and then you use the tamper to extrude, like so. As the clay gets pushed down through the chamber, you can move the tamper down through the rungs and the clay gets squeezed out. Voila! Thanks for watching. This is Lizzie. This is her new necklace.